Hello, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, your friend Kumar is back with a review of another decent college in, Bangalore, which is called Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology (NCET). And this is a quite beautiful college, and it's also got a very good placement in terms of highest salaries around 10 lakhs and more or less 350 students gets placed every year, and there are many mass recruiters. So I'll come to all those part. Why I'm reviewing this college is this is basically AICT approved, UGC approved, and it's a NAC A grade college. So that itself shows that it is one of the top colleges because it's a NAC A grade college, and it is recognized by the UGC Act, and it's ISO 9000, 14,000, 9,000, and 22,000. So that shows there's a stress on the quality of education which has to be provided to this college. So this is quite good. And now talking about the college, this college is spread on 72 acres of green campus, and you have seen from the pictures it's located on the Bangalore Hyderabad National Highway. So it's a quite big campus, 72 acres for a little less known college like this, and it has a good facilities for both boys and girls. And I'll come to complete campus walkthrough on later. And this college was started by Nagarjuna Group, right? So and it is started in 2001 as a self financing. So when we say self financing, that means an autonomous college. So this is a lot of students ask me the autonomous colleges, and it is one of the autonomous colleges, so that is good. And what is the benefit of being autonomous, as you know, right? And that you have access to a very high experience, academicians, MOUs, and collaborations, lot of choice based credit system in examinations, and you have lot of choice of interdisciplinary electives, right? So electrical students can also study computers and so on. So there are a good number of benefits being autonomous, and this is one of the autonomous college. Now coming to the courses, it is a traditional courses like CSC, ISC, and EEC you find here. And apart from that, two new branches, which is CS data science and the CS artificial intelligence and machine learning is also there. So you have 5 branches which are good branches, and then there are mechanical and civil engineering also, which you can take, but placement will be a little less, 30-40%. So that is a risk, you always know, right? So let's start with some of the picture review of the campus. How good are the facilities? It's extremely good. All the labs are there, like I'm showing the computer science, I'm showing the electronics now, right? So you have seen intake was 60, 90, and now 120 in EC, and these are some of the pictures, right? So this is a FM lab, right, for mechanics, right? And so this is every type of machine shopping, all those are there. And apart from that, the 74-acre campus itself is a clean, green, and smart, right? And you can see from the picture itself that what a good quality of infrastructure has, be it the reception area or be it the different building sites, all are built on the this is the administration block, this is a night view, this is the overall view, and it's spread across a big campus. And lifestyle has every facility. So you can see these are different views of the college from the top, and these are some of the buildings on the individual branches like civil, mechanical, and so on, right? So there, this is the auditorium, and this is one other way of the other view of the auditorium. So it's quite good, modern buildings, and different blocks, again seminar hall, lots of them are there, right? This is one of them, and this is typical classroom, where student sits, and this is another view of the classroom, typical, and this is the students life pictures. So some of the pictures, they do have a lot of cafeterias and hangout places within the campus itself, and because it's a big campus. So, and this is library and the information center. So again, good facility there in that part also. And apart from the classrooms, there's a hostel, which I will come to it later. Within the campus itself, you will find a coffee cafe day. So there's a hangout place. This is a canteen inside the college campus, right? So, and then there is a big ground and lot of facilities with respect to different types of sports. So you can see football, basketball, or indoor games, like all the facilities are there, and those are both are available for both boys and girls. And so there's a department of sports itself, which is in the campus. For the hostel students, there's a gym, well equipped with, and these are the different hostel blocks, chola blocks and others, right? So you can see, and this is Katira. So you can see these are all the hostel blocks, very well maintained. It will give you very good life. Now this is the hostel pictures of the girls. So now let's talk about the placement of this college, right? So this is from the NIRF data last year, right? So out of 525 students, 350 students got placed, and the median salary is 4.6 lakhs. So median salary 4.6 lakhs means your high average salary will be 5.5 lakhs, right? So that is very good for this college. Median salary is very good, and it is one of the best. And the previous years also, if you see 537 out of 537, 320 students got placed. So you can see close to 350 students gets placed from this college, which is decent if you're taking the top branches. And now this is the topper from the salary perspective. So got job in Baiju with 10 lakh salary. So this is the highest salary in this college for the past year. And this is some of the pictures, like TCS is the mass recruiter here. They have taken 17 students. So this is quite good for this college. Cutoffs are a little bit lower only, so you can easily get into this college. So apart from this is a TCS, this is Tech Mahindra, again the mass recruiter, 50 students get into the Tech Mahindra, which is again top 10 IT companies in India. DXC Technology is much bigger, like 100 students. So you can see just 4 or 5 companies are taking together 250 students. So most of and then 100 students get placed in the smaller companies. So that is the benefit of this. Emphasis 38 students. So lot of students are got placed into the bigger companies, and there's a Nagarjuna group. Also 8